All my instructions you can find under my videos. The Sikorsky MH-53 Pave Low series is a long-range combat search and rescue CSAR helicopter for the United States Air Force. The series has seen great improvements and evolution with each new version. The Pave Low's initial functions were to drop off supply and pick up special forces behind enemy lines. Low-level penetration was made possible by a state-of-the-art terrain following radar as well as an infrared sensor that allows the helicopter to operate in bad weather. It can transport 38 troops at a time and sling up to 9,000 kilograms of cargo with its external hook. Equipped with a heavy armor plating, this chopper quickly became known by the troops as a flying tank. The series was upgraded from the MH-53BC variants of the Sikorsky CH-53C Stallion. The MH-53 Super Jolly Green Giant was initially developed to replace the MH-3 Jolly Green Giant. The helicopters later transitioned to special operations missions. The US Air Force MH-53JM fleet was retired in September 2008 and was replaced by the CV-22B Osprey. General characteristics: crew 6, capacity 37 troops, 55 in alternate configuration, length 28 meters, rotor diameter 21.9 meters, height 7.6 meters, empty weight 14,515 kilograms, max takeoff weight 21,000 kilograms. Power plant 2 T64GE 100 turboshaft 3,230 kilowatts each. Rotor system 6 blades. Performance: maximum speed 315 kilometers per hour, cruise speed 278 kilometers per hour, range 1,100 kilometers, can be extended with the in-flight refueling. Service ceiling 4,900 meters. Armament: any combination of 3 7.62 millimeters M134 miniguns and or 50 BMG 12.7mm M2 Browning machine guns mounted on left and right sides, immediately behind flight deck and ramp. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me? Just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time.